Just got here to the Methow Valley. I drew an awesome late rifle tag, and we're here between Winthrop and Twisp and getting ready for this hunt. And bad news is the weather's mild and no snow. But the good news is we're here and going to hit it hard, and we'll see what happens. So kind of excited. This is a place my mom was born and raised, and so drawing this tag has some other meaning to it. And my family and grandpa and great grandpas all hunted and killed a lot of big bucks here, so hopefully it's my turn and we'll give it hell. Okay, opening morning, and we're driving up here and a couple does cross just right here, and right behind him was a huge 3x3, tall. He must have been, his back forks must have been easily, I don't know, 24 inches tall. He's right up on that hillside right now, but I decided to pass on him, and hopefully I don't regret it. It is opening morning, and he was rutting, so that's a good sign because we got no weather going on here. So we're gonna get down to a couple spots where I wanted to get up in the mountains and do a little hiking and see what we can find. Day one coming to an end. Up here on the hill, gonna sit it out till dark and head on down the canyon, get in the truck, head back, and try it again tomorrow. Looks like we're getting some rains coming in.